There's cool trains in Montreal, and it's about 4:30 p.m. on the 24th of August, 2021. And this is a CP Westbound. 143 maybe? I'm not sure. It's under the Dorval ramps on a very hot and humid day here in Montreal. An old CP rail on that one. It's always funny to see some of these auto racks that haven't been painted in 25, 30 years right next to something that's brand new. Kansas City Southern, not for CP. It looks like CN's gonna get it. That's the end of the train right there. What is that, Chattahoochee Railroad or something? Wow, haven't seen that one ever before. Well, if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.